Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is falafel. Falafel is a Egyptian dish. Last Wednesday it was heavily raining in Dubai. In our area it started to rain from the morning itself. That day was a holiday for my husband, so we went for a drive. Due to heavy rainfall, my son's school dispersed early. So instead of waiting for the school bus, we directly went to pick him. Now we are going towards Sharjah. Moving on to the recipe of the day, falafel. Soak 2 cups of chickpeas overnight. You need 1/4 cup of chopped palak, 1/4 cup of finely chopped parsley, 1/4 cup of chopped coriander leaves, 5 cloves of garlic, half piece of onion. First I am going to pressure cook this chickpeas with 1 cup of water. Chickpeas are well cooked now. Take a blender jar and grind all the ingredients. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Adding 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chilli powder and some salt. This is not the authentic way to prepare falafel. I made some twist in this recipe. I hope you like this one. So the coarse mixture is ready here. Now we need to add 1/4 cup of gram flour or besan and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix well. Greasing the baking tray with some oil. Take a small portion of the falafel mixture and place it on the baking tray. Bake it for 25 to 30 minutes at 220 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven. If you don't want to bake this, you can deep fry this one. As a dip, I use 1 tablespoon of hummus and thin it down by adding some water. So dip is ready. Here you can see the fried falafel balls. You can serve it like this. After 15 minutes, we need to take it out from the oven. Flip the sides and grease it with some oil. Bake it for 10 more minutes. These are ready. Now I am going to make a sandwich with falafel balls. Here I have de-seeded tomatoes, finely chopped capsicum and some lettuce. Adding some mayonnaise and other ingredients, falafel balls and some hummus. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you liked today's video. See you soon. Until then, bye bye.